Hi everyone on TikTok. I finished the keychain. So this one is going to be mine. I put some keys on there that are important to me, and I am going to test this out, in the way, is it easy to grab? Is it easy to see? Is it easy to hold on to? That type of deal. See if this little decoration or design is just what I want. I think the size is perfect, to tell you the truth. Now the next one I'm making this one. This will go on Grailed. I will have this posted on Grailed. So that's the next one I'm making. The key ring will probably be a little bit bigger because the package I got is different size key rings, which is fine. That's a beautiful way to kind of test out and look at how designs flow. So anyway, thanks for coming with me on this journey. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're creating a Boro inspired sashiko piece and you have a question, I'm happy to answer. And but you have a beautiful day. Enjoy your weekend, and be good to yourself.